2014 Ford F-250, and this is how you replace the headlight bulb. First thing you want to do is go ahead and pop your hood. Right here on the grill, there will be 4 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and remove the 10 millimeter bolts. Now with the 10 millimeter bolts removed, you can move your grill forward, access these 2 10 millimeter bolts right there. This one on top, and this one right underneath the headlight, right there. You'll probably need a short extension to reach the bolt under the headlight. Go ahead and just drop that one because you're not going to be able to pull it out. Just like that. Headlight is removed. Actually, that's your headlight bulb. It is this lower one. This undone, this is very tight. What you actually want to do is you want to push it in first, then press down, and then pull off. And that's it. You just unscrew the headlight bulb, put the new one in, and put it back together in reverse order. And that's pretty much all there is to it. The same for both sides. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If this helped you out, leave a like. If you'd like to help us out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That would really help us out. Until next time.